Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you two easy ways to find the eID number on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open settings on your iPhone, then tap general, then select about option and then scroll down to find the eID number. Press and hold the number to copy it if needed, like I am doing it here, and here it is. And the method 2 is using a dial code, which is basically you have to open the phone app and go to the keypad, and then you have to dial star 06 hash star hash 06 hash, and then you can see your eID number here. You can see your IMEI number also these things. That's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.